Now we're gonna go ahead and I think what we should do, we're going to replace this mount right here on the transmission since this piece is out. This is bent. Probably the easiest way to do it. Grab your 14 and just loosen up all these bolts because my gun won't do it. This thing is so bent, it won't allow me to get to that bolt. Grab my hammer, and we'll give this thing a tug. Loose enough to where we can get to it. That's loose, and this is the bolt that we couldn't get to. Now they're all loose. This guy's a little bent. We're gonna knock this back a little bit because it's supposed to sit something like that. Then we got this little heat shield here. This guy right here, which runs on some 12s. Go ahead and drop this out of the way. The two number 12. There's two number 12s that hold it. You could drop the whole thing from all four sides, but not really necessary. Just drop these two bolts out of the way. Go ahead and drop, two on this side. I'd leave one on that side. I drop these two on this side because you need to, and then you need to drop these three guys here. One more right here. We even sell the mount from SSP. Check it out. The transmission is going to come down if you drop these bolts a little bit. If you got something to hoist it, go ahead and hoist it. If not, it'll rest right here. It's not going to be you see how it's just hanging? Don't worry about it falling on you. It won't. Now this is the piece that's bent. Get a close look at it. I'll pull it off and you can see it. It's got two 12s here and two 12s here, and this mount comes off. There's two of these on this side, and there's two of these on this side. And look at the difference in the mounts. This one's completely bent. So if we started the car with this in there, we'd have a massive vibration in the chassis. We'd be like, what the hell happened to the car? This is one off a car in the yard we pulled off. We do sell them. Call us if you need one. They go bad if you get in an accident, and you're just replacing it. So